Hi kids, welcome to Kids Learning with AF. Today, we will learn about action verbs that help us stay disciplined at home. Let's go. Wake up. I wake up early in the morning. Wash. I wash my hands and face. Brush. I brush my teeth every day. Clean. I clean my room and toys. Help. I help my parents at home. Eat. I eat healthy food on time. Study. I study every day after school. Listen. I listen to my parents and teachers. Respect. I respect everyone at home. Sit. I sit properly when eating or reading. Arrange. I arrange my books and toys neatly. Follow. I follow a daily routine. Limit. I limit my screen time and playtime. Bathe. I bathe every day to stay clean. Sleep. I go to sleep on time. You're doing a great job learning discipline at home. Remember, these actions help you become a good and responsible kid. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Learning with AF.